Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to technology, psychology, food, animals, sports, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. During a job interview, if offered a glass of water, accept it. Belka and Strelka, the two dogs that went to space in 1960, can be seen today in preserved form at the Moscow Museum of Space and Aeronautics. This is not a village or a city, but the largest cemetery in the world where more than 5 million dead bodies are buried. India has the maximum women pilots in the world. In 2020, the Vatican had to censor a video of Pope Francis saying whiskey was the real holy water. A Roman soldier once farted, starting a riot that led to the death of 10,000 people. Most children in French are born to unmarried moms. Ronald McDonald is Donald McDonald in Japan because it makes pronunciation easier for the Japanese. Jerome Kerviel is the poorest person in the world because he is $4.9 billion in debt. Dreams often reveals feelings that we have hidden or repressed because dreams are a reflection of a subconscious mind. The island in Alaska looks like it's just floating in air. Emeralds are more than 20 times rarer than diamonds and therefore often command a higher price. Standing and drinking water disturbs the balance of chemicals present in your joints, causing joint pain. Japan will now soon release 1 million tons of nuclear waste into the ocean because they don't have enough space to store it. Approximately 1 in every 2,000 to 3,000 babies is born with webbed fingers or toes. Hawaii is moving towards Japan at the rate of 4 inches every year. The Melo pearl is the rarest pearl in the world, formed by a sea snail. There are more than 40,000 varieties of rice, and the only continent where rice could not be produced is Antarctica. In the Netherlands, workers can be absent for up to 2 years while receiving 70% of their salary as sick pay. Scientists have not yet found why man actually needs to sleep. It is China's air pollution that is visible from space and not the Great Wall of China. The oldest person ever to have lived, a French woman named Jean-Louise Calment, was 122 years old when she died in 1997. The Barbie doll's full name is Barbara Millicent Roberts from Willows. Her birthday is March 9, 1959. Your subconscious mind is 30 times more powerful than your conscious mind. The flapping of the wings of 1000 bees generates nearly 7 watts of heat. Boring, Oregon and Dull, Scotland have been sister cities since 2012. Emilia Earhart, an Indian newsreader, once sneaked out of a White House event, commanded an airplane and went on a joyride to Baltimore. During Prohibition, moonshiners would wear cow shoes. Since founding the Imagination Library in 1995, Dolly Parton has donated 100 million books to children. Having a large amount of hair on your body is linked to having higher intelligence. In 2001, a Florida man wrestled a shark out of the water to recover his nephew's arm that had been bitten off. There is a place called Center of Universe. If you talk while standing inside the circle, you'll hear an echo of your own voice. Male wolves are extremely caring and gentle with their female partners. The 84-year-old refused $1 million and forced around her house to build a shopping mall. Kim Jong-un travels with his own toilet to prevent his excretions from falling into the wrong hands. Facebook is blue, Tumblr is blue, Twitter is blue, the color blue reveals stress. Humans are afraid of aliens because we think they will treat us the same way we treat other animals on Earth. The first Indian to own a car was Jamsetji Tata. He bought his first car in 1898. The Roman Emperor Caligula once declared war on Neptune, god of the seas. This is how South Korean students begin returning to school amid pandemic. A newborn baby can hang on a chin-up bar and support its own weight. Jupiter and 4 of its moons. Types of universal serial bus. An elephant's trunk contains over 4,000 muscles. The entire human body had fewer than 85. The pupil of your eye can expand as much as 45% while looking at someone you love. Girl buried with a crown of ceramic flowers. Study shows that using the internet too much can make your brain lazy. %70% of women feel that they are not good enough either due to their looks, personality or living standards. Venus is named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. Thanks for watching.